Hello guys, it's Shepherd here from Mfidie.com, and today we'll be unboxing and looking at the Galaxy SmartTag by Samsung. We'll test the Galaxy SmartTag and walk you through some of the specs. Let's start with the unboxing. The first thing you see written on the pack is the Galaxy SmartTag. One pack, that's the one I have here. On the side, it gives you some of the items that you can use the SmartTag with. So you have pets, luggage and keys. There is also the bold Samsung Galaxy branding at the side, and behind the case you have the product details. Let's open it up. The first thing you see when you open the box is the SmartTag itself. The one I have here is the oatmeal color. I've also seen the black color variant. There is also a small startup guide for those who want to read and get more details into the SmartTag. First of all, this SmartTag looks really cool when you hold it. It feels very small in the hand, and with its Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it has a strength to give you signals from 120 meters away. Very nice. You can only use the SmartTag with a Samsung Galaxy device that's running Android 8.0 and above. So I'm just going to try to set it up right now. Let's get to that. Setting up the Galaxy SmartTag is easy. With the device here, all you need to do is to press and then you get a notification on the phone. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to press this key right here. Once you press, a notification comes on the device. You see it written, Samsung Galaxy SmartTag, a new device has been found. Add this device to SmartThings. Obviously, we are adding this one right here. So we are just going to click Add Now. And then it says, Welcome to SmartThings. And the prompt is just going to walk us through adding this device to our phone. So we are going to agree to the privacy policy and giving location access. Obviously it needs that to work, and then we allow the notification access. So the setup takes a little bit of time to complete. Whilst we are doing that, one thing you need to know about the SmartTag is that even when it's missing and far away, once there is a Samsung Galaxy device there, it can still ping and give you a location. Nice. We can continue the setup. I click start here, and then it says connecting to my SmartTag. It asks me to click the key here, and I'm just going to do that. So I press on it, you hear the sound, and it says the SmartTag is being registered to my Samsung account. You wait a little bit for that, and then the device is registered to your personal Samsung account. So before you set this up, make sure you've already added your Samsung account to your device. So now I can name this SmartTag. I would want to use it with my car keys, so I'm just going to name it maybe key tag. Nice. And then wait for it to load. So while it's loading, I can just attach it to the key. So the SmartTag is now attached to the car keys, and it's asking me to use it with SmartThings Find. This app is on every Samsung Galaxy device that's coming nowadays, so you just need your Samsung Galaxy device and then you can use it. Now it's asking to ring my tag to find it. It's teaching me, it's walking me through the tutorial of how to use the device. So yes. And I'm going to demonstrate. The device is all set up. So if I'm looking for the device, I can just ring it and then it will ping where the device is, and since it's attached to my key, it means wherever I leave my key and I'm around this device, I can still pick it up. Still on the setup, you can do a few other things. It's asking what this tag is attached to. So I can just choose one of the many options that are here. And so for this one, it's a key, and that's done. You can set different options for the smart tag. So for instance, you can set what happens then when you press it. So maybe you're using this smart tag to go on runs at a place that you think is not so safe. You can set it so that whenever you press on the key tag, it sends an SMS and your location to someone that, hey, I'm not safe here, and the person can actually see this notification. So this is very good for safety reasons. You can also set very different volumes on the smart tag. So currently it's high, and I'm going to play it so that you hear that. But you can reduce the volume to low, and then it's very much lower than before. You can also choose, I'm just going to set it back to high again. You can also choose very different ringtones for the smart tag. I kind of like this one because it has a bit of urgency. So I'm just going to use it. And you can see how much battery that you have. So it says it's sufficient. That's between 6 to 100%. So you don't have to worry. One thing you need to also remember about the battery is that it can last for up to 300 days. And you can pick up this battery at most shops here in Ghana for around 5 to 10 cedis. So battery is not an issue to worry about. So now let's look at how you can use the Galaxy SmartTag to ring your phone, and how you can also use the phone to find it. With all of this, you need to be using the SmartThings app, which comes with every Samsung Galaxy phone. So I'm just going to open the app and then go to the key tag. Once the key tab is open, I'm going to enable this option here that says let tag find your device. So I'm going to enable it, and then after it's set and loaded, I can use the tag to find my device. So to find the phone, all you need to do once you're in that 120 meters range is to double tap here like this. And you're going to hear that loud noise that we heard, and so you are able to find your phone very easily using the smart tag. And the same thing when the smart tag, which is in this case attached to the key, is missing, you need to go onto your SmartThings app and then you can ping it. Let's try that now. So if you're looking to find your smart tag or your key, my key in this instance, but all you have is your smartphone, you're going to open the SmartThings app, then click on the key tag, wait for it to load, and click on view map. Once it shows up on the map, if you know exactly where it is, you can just go ahead and find it. But sometimes there is the issue that you don't know exactly where it is, so you might want to just ring it. So I can click on the ring here, and this smart tag is going to ring. So if it's somewhere maybe under a pillow or downstairs or inside someone's bag and I've forgotten it there, I'll just hear it. Let me just press the ring, and then you hear the sound very loudly. And once you find it, you can click on stop. And that's it. Hello guys, so just a use case of the Galaxy SmartTag. I visited someone and I left my key, so I'm just coming back for it because of security reasons. And so I'm just going to try to ring the device right now, and then you would notice that if you don't know where it is, you just hear the ringing. So I'm just starting the ringing. I just clicked on it, and I'm sure you can hear. So clearly the sound is coming from the car. So I'm just going to get it from the car, and then yeah, So I can clearly hear it from here, and yeah, so there's the key tag and there's the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. Very nice. And that's how the SmartTag can help you find your devices. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the quick unboxing and setup of the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. It's selling in Ghana right now for just around 145 cedis, and you can have a couple of them, maybe 6 or 7 if you have different items. And it's very good for tracking. The use cases are endless. You can use it for a lot of things. Get one now, use it, and share your comments and experiences in the box below. Thank you so much, and watch other videos on the channel. Bye bye.